In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant stuck at 60 FPS. Right-click on your Valorant application file, click Properties, go to Compatibility tab, check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations, run this program as an administrator, click Apply, then OK. You can do that by finding your Valorant directory and searching for Valorant application file. If it's not helps, then right-click on your desktop and open NVIDIA Control Panel if you're using NVIDIA GPU. It will take some time, about 15 to 20 seconds to load. Just give some time when it's loading. Go to Manage 3D Settings. After loading, scroll down and find Vertical Sync. Set it to off. Click Apply. If you are using AMD GPU, open AMD Radeon settings, navigate to graphics settings, look for VSync and set it to off. Save the changes. Now, in NVIDIA control panel, go to change resolution. Under refresh rate, set it to the highest available. Click apply. Now, in Windows display settings, right click on the desktop and select display settings. Scroll down and select Advanced Display Settings. Under Refresh Rate, set it to the highest available. Now your issue should be fixed. If it's not, then open Valorant. Click on the Settings gear icon at the top right. Go to Video panel, then go to General tab. Turn off all FPS limiting settings. Apply the changes and restart the game. Launch Valorant and check if the FPS is unlocked. If the issue persists, restart your PC and try again. That's it. Now you know how to fix Valorant stuck at 60 FPS. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.